Hey guys, it's Normo here and I am back with another video. Today I'll be reviewing another money making app called Cash for Apps. With this app, you earn by installing apps and doing surveys. Ensure to stay until the end of the video to learn how you can multiply your earnings passively. So if you want to learn more ways to make money only using your phone, start by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell to get notified every time I release a new video. So without further ado, let's get into the app. So yes guys, as you can realize, we are currently on the home screen of the app, and as you can see, this app has 5 categories, which are apps, task, reward, share and more. So we are currently now on the apps category. At this category, here is where you will download apps in exchange for points. So as you can see, there are many apps in which you can download in exchange for a certain amount of points. And currently, if you look at the top right hand corner, I currently have 1010 points. And at the top of the app, you will notice that there is a competition, in which at this competition you need to download 3 apps to enter in a prize giveaway. And currently I have already downloaded 2 apps, and soon I will be downloading 1 more apps to enter this competition. So guys, let's move to the task category. So guys, as you can see, we are now at the task category. Here you can complete surveys or you can just complete tasks. At the top it says try a survey to earn points. So there is where you will press to move on to the surveys section, and below that is where there are lots of tasks that you can complete. So the first task, it says Zoo 2, which will reward 183 points. So as you can see, all you have to do, play Zoo 2 Animal Park, finish the tutorial, and then you will redeem your points. And this is only available for new users. So as long as you follow those instructions and complete everything that the task instructs, you will be receiving 183 points to your balance. So the next category is rewards. Here is where you will convert your points into gift cards. So as you can see, we are at the country of United States, and you can see that there are many gift cards such as iTunes gift cards, Google Play gift cards, Amazon, and you can also convert your coins into gaming gift cards such as Best Buy, Steam, PlayStation, and much more. So yes guys, this is the rewards category. So let's move on to the share category. So we are now at the share category, and at this part here is where you can refer your friend and earn passively. And when you share your invite code with your friend, you will earn allotted amount of coins, and your friends will also receive coins. So let me explain this category. So if you share your invite code to friends that uses Apple devices, you will receive 90 coins. But if you share your invite code with friends that uses Android devices, you will only receive 45 coins. So I would recommend that you share your invite code with friends that uses Apple devices. And guys, you can leave your invite code in the description below so that other persons can use it. And down below, you see that your friend will earn 20 points for entering your code. Once they have downloaded 1 app, you will be credited with your referral points. So when you share your invite code, your friend needs to download at least 1 app for you to be credited with coins, and your friends also to be credited with those coins. So let's move to the last category, which is more. At the more category, it is divided into 6 sections: my gift cards, settings, frequently asked questions, support, legal, and logout. At the my gift cards, here is where you will see the gift cards that you have redeemed. You can change your settings in the settings section. You can see some answers to some of the frequently asked questions at the FAQ section. You can ask for support. You can find information about this app such as the privacy policy, and you can also log out of your account at this section. So guys, we have come to the end of the video, and remember to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below, and share this video with a friend. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.